Yo, what's up everybody? So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to avoid paying taxes. This is called a wash, and what it is when you fake a loss in the stock market. You're not taking a real loss. A real loss is where you would actually, take a hit, you walk, you don't ever recoup the money. When you fake a loss, you are purposely trying to find a ticker that you might be holding that is down a certain amount of money. Study the ticker, make sure she's not about to rebound anytime soon, and you run in really quick and you try to seize the moment. You seize the moment on that loss, knowing you're only doing it to wash out a capital gains of equal value or close to it. Because what you're going to do is when you stop the clock on that loss, you hold it for 30 days, then you immediately get right back in on that ticker and ride that ticker back up. You faked the loss. You only got out temporarily. Instead of holding on to that ticker that was losing money, you actually got to use that loss in your favor. Whereas a lot of you guys like to hold on to these losses and not sell. You write them down and you hold them down. That's a really big mistake when it comes to capital gains, because when you write them down, if you know what you're doing, you sell them, hold it for 30 days, and realize that loss. Leverage that loss against your capital gains so you pay zero. Check this video out. I'm about to show you 1 year that I freaking nailed my fake wash loss versus the exact amount of money, damn near the exact amount of money I had pulled as profit. But this is one of my years, okay, that I almost got my capital gains. I matched it for my wash. This is 1 year that I was able to match it perfectly, okay? I can't show you too much info on here because some of my personal info is going to be seen if I move the camera around too much, and I don't want you guys knowing that much about my life. I am just going to show you the basics though. This is my Robinhood account when I was day trading in 2018. This is a capital gain. You see that right there, net gain of $32,963. That's basically what I walked with. So when I walked with that $32,900, I knew I had to take a loss on something to balance that out. Let me show you what I did. All you guys that day trade are gonna love this, because this was absolutely brilliant, because I almost nailed it. I did nail it. I'm not even going to say almost. If we can get it to focus. I took a $30,753 loss. This was called a wash. That's what I did. I applied this loss, which was just a quick wash. You have to hold it for 30 days. And I held that against my capital gains on my $32,000. Which means I ended up only having to pay a capital gains tax on just $2,000 lousy dollars, instead of paying capital gains tax on $32,000. You see where I'm going with this? You see how I did that? This is the same year. I balanced the books. Now, all I did was hold this loss for 30 days, and then I got right back in this ticker. Now I can hold this ticker for as long as I want to without selling. I actually didn't take a loss because the ticker recovers. All I did was I stopped the clock. That's what I keep telling you guys. When I say stop the clock, and then you guys are like, oh, but every time you sell, look, Teddy, you're not making all the money you claim you make because you're paying a fortune in taxes. First of all, we don't worry about taxes. Don't ever let taxes ever stop you from making money. But in some scenarios, you can wash the tax out and actually reap the benefit of the $32,000 like I did. I actually made $32,000. I faked a $30,000 loss, which the $30,000 was in the books. Had I just held the $30,000 loss, I wouldn't have been able to use it as a wash. So some of you guys that are holding your loss without selling, you see what I'm saying? You could actually sell. Let's say it's an AMC loss. If you sell it and you know the ticker is going to continue to go down in value, then what you do is you sell it, let the ticker go down in value, hold it for 30 days. Hold your loss for 30 days. then get back in your ticker for a lower dollar amount, which AMC is really good at that, okay? And there you go. You now don't have to pay hardly anything in taxes because you're going to show that wash. Now you hold this on into the next year, into the next year, and however long you want to hold it for. Okay? That is how you counter making money in the stock market, and you don't have to pay a shit ton of money in taxes. AMC is a beautiful one for this, just to let you guys know. AMC is the best. All right, guys, hopefully you learned off that, and hopefully I explained it well. I don't know, maybe I didn't. Y'all have an awesome day. Peace.